Good afternoon, my name's Alex Webb. I'm one of the sales team here at Starting Skoda in Worcester, and today I'm just going to be showing you around this lovely SKODA Kamiq. So this is the SE specification, 1 litre TSI, 110 horsepower DSG automatic model with a couple of extras, and it's in the moon white metallic paint, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this car's done under 4,000 miles and it's just over 6 months old, so nearly brand new. It's reflected in how well this car has been looked after. It looks like it just rolled off the factory line. There's no marks or anything at all on the alloys. Loads and loads of tread left on those tires. It's just a beautiful looking car. Really, really nice the whole way down. Now I'll show you the overall exterior condition. Then I'll jump inside, show you the rear, show you the front, and then show you all the wheels and tires as we go around as well. But as I say, a really beautifully looked after car. You've got your new redesigned Skoda logo badge just on the back there with your Kamiq badge. And you've also then got your rear parking sensors just along the back bumper there as well. And then just to open up the boot, just to show you inside, because I always consider this the TARDIS of the Skoda range. It's amazing for such a small car how much you can actually get inside in the boot. It is really, really quite spacious in there. Loads and loads of things you could fit in. Prams, push chairs, suitcases, boxes, whatever it may be that you need to take with you. There is tons and tons of space to do all that inside. Now there's no marks or anything like that, no stains or anything inside that boot. As you can see from the overall condition of the car, it is just beautiful. White is a very telling colour. Typically it does show any marks very easily. So as you can see, this one's been looked after incredibly well. No marks or anything at all on that next alloy. And then just to jump inside in the rear, as I mentioned, so you've actually got the full cloth interior. You've got this diamond pattern, which is running along the front and rear seats. Looks really, really smart in there. Doesn't really look like anyone's ever sat in the back, if I'm honest. And you do also have your full carpet mats front and rear. But again, just to show you the overall condition, it looks fantastic inside there. Really, really nice. Then just to jump inside in the front as well. And again, just to show you the same thing, you've got the diamond pattern. Now these are really comfortable cloth huggy seats. Really ace. I've actually had one of these as a demonstrator myself. Absolutely loved it. Really easy to park, very easily maneuverable as well. And then just to show you, so the mileage on the clock is only 3,640 miles. You've got your audio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel there. On the right-hand side, you've got your little screen controls as well. And then just to move over into the center, you've got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features on there with your DAB radio and Bluetooth. The optional extra, which is your heated seats for the front passenger and driver side, along with your air conditioning unit. Then you've got the super smooth 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Old school manual handbrake in this one as well. But again, really, really nice inside there. And there we have it. And then just to show you around the final wheel, just down the bottom down there as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'd be more than happy to arrange you an appointment. Myself or one of my colleagues, just call us on 01905 830 361. Myself, my name is Alex. If you do need anything valued in terms of a part exchange, any financing figures or anything putting together, then please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're open 7 days a week and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.